Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download BitTorrent for your computer in a very simple way. How you're going to do it? Just simply come over into your Google Chrome browser and then search over here like BitTorrent. We'll get the suggestion over here. So if you click on that, then you'll get this website called www.bittorrent.com. So if you click on BitTorrent, and then here you will find a download option over here called free download. So after click on free download, click on basic for classic for torrent, click on download now. After a short time, the download will be completed. And now if you minimize the browser and if you click on it 2 times to install the BitTorrent, click yes for the permission and now minimize the browser, click next. And now click next another time, agree, accept, and now check all the boxes and then click next. Click next another time. And now the download is started or installation is started. And after a short time, the BitTorrent download will be completed. And now if you click on finish, and after a short time, your BitTorrent will be open into your computer. You can see your BitTorrent is opened. So this is how you can download BitTorrent for your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.